Hello everyone, here is Alan from IEMAI3D printing company. Right now we are at Formnext2025. So this time we bring our two solutions to join Formnext. The first one is our high performance 3D printing solution. We can print PEG, PIC, carbon fiber PIC, glass fiber PIC. We have all these high performance filament solution. So if you want to print something like that, you should have some high temperature 3D printer like our HT Pro. This printer, we have our high-speed control printing system. So the chamber temperature can reach 120, and the printing temperature can reach 500 degrees Celsius. And the printing size is 310, 310, 410. So a lot high performance filament we can print by this machine. And we have a bigger high temperature machine here. This is our Match HT Max. The printing size is 500, 500, 600 millimeter volume. And the printing temperature is 500 degrees Celsius. The chamber temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. And all our printer with the AI camera function and our cloud service to control if you have more than 5 printer and 10 printers, something like that. So we also bring our filament system here. You can see we use the metal spool to use in our filament, high performance filament. We have PIC, PEG, glass fiber PIC, carbon fiber PIC, and Autumn 1010. So you can use our high performance filament to print for something industrial application, customer like automotive and aerospace and medical and drones and robots. Okay. Another solution, we bring our pellet solution here. We use the robo arm extruder with our pellet extruder, so we can print a lot very big scale printing parts. So we can see this part. We use the pellet to print with very high layer height, and also you can print first with not very good surface maybe, but after CNC milling you will see this part. It's very good surface to make some high temperature or middle temperature mold for the product. And this is a artist design for furniture or for the building. You can use our RoboArm pellet printing solution and our or filament solution also. And also we have our large format filament printing machine with chamber temperature, so you can print some carbon fiber nylon, carbon fiber PC for the different customer. Okay, thank you for your guys.